Okay, I'm going to show you how the right side of this remote doesn't work. Okay, if I press any of this side, you notice how the OK right here will, will work. But when I press anything on this side, it doesn't work. You can see I'm pressing it because I'm not just, see, okay, and then I'll try a different function. Again, this side doesn't work, but if I press this side, the OK comes up, it works. Again, these are, I got it to work earlier, don't know how, just got it to work, so I was able to set up my screen, but then found out that it's inconsistent. It works sometimes and it doesn't work the other times. See how I press this side, the OK comes up. If I press this side, nothing. Try a different one. OK. And if I press this side, nothing happens. That's what I'm talking about. But I got it to work earlier, just see, there it goes. I can't get it. Okay, see, now that when it's not working, let's pretend we're gonna change the screen. Okay, see, if I want to get rid of this part of anything, can't do it. Want to add anything, can't do it. Now if I want to do it here, I can. See? But this side, nothing. Nothing. Can't change anything. That's what I'm talking about. So anyway, I wanted to show you this video so you didn't think I was lying about it. See, again, totally functions on this side, but this side, nothing. Okay,